Hi guys, well we've just spent the night here in the Grafton Travelodge, which is just outside Hereford. Clean, tidy room. Obviously had a bit of a refurb. It's quite nice actually, but for a Travelodge, let's face it, it's a Travelodge. But anyway, apart from that, a few little quibbles. There is a space to hang your jackets and coats up, but there's not a shelf. There's only one double socket in the room, and the two reading lights don't work. Apart from that, it's actually quite nice. It's nice and tidy. The hotel itself seems quite nice and tidy as well. The corridors and stuff, and reception. Unfortunately, there used to be a pub on this site. There isn't anymore. It's closed down, and there's nothing else. Basically, Grafton Travelodge is about 2 miles outside of Hereford. It's about a 15-minute drive in to here. There was nothing around, so basically just be aware that there's nothing really to grab something to eat. For example, if you want to go to the pub, you're going to get in the car. All they have is a grab and go breakfast, and there's a vending machine. Basically, that's it. So food-wise, just be prepared. Okay, and that's it.